Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to use text-to-speech on TikTok. First, to use this function properly, it's recommended to set your iPhone to the English language. Sometimes this function will not work in other languages. If you have set the language to English, you can start. First, open the TikTok app. To use text-to-speech, we have to make a new TikTok by pressing the plus button. Now we can record on TikTok as usual. When we are done recording, we press the done button on the bottom right. Now we can add some text by pressing the text button on the bottom of the screen. We type in some cool text. After you have filled in some text, press done. Now hold on your text field and an extra menu will pop up. Press text to speech to make your TikTok text talk.
Hello, my friends.
If you add more texts, you have to press text to speech again to make a new voice.
Hello, my friends. I like all of your posts.
Now you have added a text to speech to your TikTok. I hope this tutorial has helped. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.